Hey guys, just wanted to introduce you to the project. It's a 1956 Chevrolet 3800. I believe it's got the Chevrolet 210 motor in it. A little bit of patina, a little bit of rust. Floors have seen better days. 74, almost 75,000 original miles. You can see, I don't know how bad the lighting is, but somebody was keeping track of all the preventative maintenance on the dash. It's the glove box. There's Brad. The back is, has some wear and tear. There's Brad.
Yep, and this is the axle.
And there's the axle.
From a different one, but it'll fit on that like a charm.
Beautiful.
And this is separator albunculator.
Oh yes.
Very important part for
Very
this.
important for the truck.
Oh yeah, this is so important.
It's got a...
See, I got that piece. That's the other piece I showed you?
Yep.
Yeah.
Today was spent finding all the spare pieces and...
See, now this doesn't have... Mine has it on both doors, I'm pretty sure.
Back doors need redoing.
Well, let's go look on mine.
Yeah.
See if that's got it on both doors. I think. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a good point. Don't forget the spittoon at the
Yeah. So let's take a look under the hood. So again, it's a little unclear about what motor this is. I believe it's a Chevy 210. It's been rebuilt, as you can see, remanufactured. It's got the glass fuel filter. It's got the old school oil filter up top. So oil comes in, oil goes out. Radiator. Got some yellow stuff in there. Means the block's probably not cracked. You can see it was moving. Just need some tension. It probably requires two hands, but it turns. It's the fuel tank right now. Old school vacuum powered windshield wipers, last registered in July of 1990. So needs a lot of work, needs a lot of love, but I think we're willing to undertake this project. And if you're interested in following along, go ahead and subscribe. If you don't want to, that's cool. But yeah, very excited to see where this project leads us, and tune in. Thanks.